Kilauea volcano is not erupting, and on Tuesday scientists provided another update on the recent signs of increased activity in the summit area. The USGS Hawaiian Volcano Observatory reports the intrusive activity that began on the 23rd of August continues south of Kilauea caldera. Ground deformation in Kilauea's south summit region continues, though at a lower rate than what has been seen in earlier intrusive pulses over the past week. The USGS says the current earthquake activity remains low compared to the earlier pulses of this intrusive activity.